All right, so tricep V-bar push down. First things first, we are targeting triceps, back of the arm, bingo wings as they're known, okay? So we're gonna get a good sting at the back of the arm here. What we wanna make sure is we are at a cable station that we can make sure that the pulley is set up at the top. So we're gonna use the toggle, which you can't see, which is on the other side here. We're gonna make sure that's clipped in so that's not going anywhere. And then we're gonna make sure that we have the right bar that we wanna be using. We're gonna be using a V-bar, which is gonna look like that. So we're gonna clip that into the carabiner and then make sure that's secured into there nice and tight. From there, we want to make sure we've got some weight on the cable machine. So with this, I've got a plate loaded machine here. Typically in a commercial gym, you'll have a stack of weights and you'll use a pin and you'll put the pin in the weight that you're going to use. Always start low, make sure you can maintain control and then obviously build up from there. But we do want you to get to the point where you're obviously getting close to or getting to the failure point so that we're challenging the muscle enough to basically break it down and make it stronger and grow. So let's get into the exercise. We're gonna grip the V-bar here. We are gonna make sure that we have our elbows pinned into our ribs. We have got our feet a little bit narrower than hip width, and we're gonna kick the hips out. So rather than being in a full straight up position here, hips go back a little bit, slightly soften at the knee, and we're gonna press all the way down. My elbows are gonna stay in the same place that they started, and we're gonna use them as a hinge, and we're gonna maintain control throughout the movement. I'm gonna fully lock my elbows out. I'm gonna squeeze at the bottom so I can feel a nice burn on my triceps, on the back of my arm. And as I say, control throughout. Blow it out on the way down and breathe in on the way up. So that is your V-bar tricep push down. As ever, if there's anything you need, give me a shout. You can always record yourself, send it to me if you want me to give you any pointers or anything like that. But hopefully that's helped you figure out what you need to do with the V-bar tricep push down.